he's asking me what should I do. मैंने बोला आपको जो करना है आप करो. आप कुछ नहीं बोलोगे तो भी बहुत म्यूजिकल लगता है हम लोग को, right? So sir, we're huge fans, and we are really happy to see you here. And finally you made it. So your journey has been really amazing. 25 years in the industry. So how would you like to share some of your best memories or?
I want to thank IFA for inviting me in to celebrate my musical journey in the US and with IFA. And I toured in 2015 and it was a very successful tour. And I didn't intend to go, like we were planning something else next year, but this came as a surprise, and it's very exciting to see IFA spreading the flavor and our culture through the awards to all over the world, actually. And I've seen the glitz and glamour and the love which people have for IFA. So,
thank you, sir.
This is special because of the way it's mounted. It's mounted as 25 years of my music, and I feel very young still. And we have great guest singers for this, and an orchestra from New York, and our own band. So I think it's going to be special.
We would like to know a little more about the much-awaited 2 hours performance at IFA this time. So if you would like to share something.
So I can't reveal much, but we have a kind of flow where it starts with the first song I did, and then we have a musical exploration to what I'm doing now.
Thank you very much. Big round of applause for Mr. A.R. Rahman.
Thank you.
It was a dream come true to share the stage with you. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much.
मैं अपनी हील उतार के दे दूँ?
नहीं, मैं सही, आपसे छोटा मैं ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा हूँ एक्चुअली.
By the way, उधर सुशांत को लगा था कि आप उसकी बात कर रहे हो.
नहीं, मैं इनफैक्ट सुशांत को भी इनवाइट करना चाहता हूँ. प्लीज वेलकम सुशांत ऑल्सो. आप साथ में आ जाओ सर.
के हंसने में भी कंपटीशन हो रहा था, कौन ज्यादा हंसा.
Honestly मैं ज्यादा हंस रहा था.
मैंने चेक कर लिया. मैं जब से आपको देखा मैं धोनी बुलाता हूँ. मैंने सुशांत भूल चुका हूँ. सो ये कितना ज्यादा इम्पैक्ट करता है आपको? कितने लोग आपको माही बुलाते हैं, धोनी बुलाते हैं?
जब भी मैं मारता हूँ तो बोलते हैं माही मार रहा है.
लवली. कृति, आईफा पे परफॉर्मेंस को लेके कितना एक्साइटेड हो आप? लाइव होने वाला है ये.
बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ, नर्वस भी हूँ. थैंक्स फॉर मेंशनिंग अगेन कि लाइव होने वाला है. बट इट्स माय फर्स्ट परफॉर्मेंस एट आईफा and I'm really thrilled and very excited. Winning the debut award again was a very special event because my family was also there for an award function for the first time. So now coming back to the IFA stage and performing there for the first time, that too in New York, I think I'm getting goosebumps already.
Lovely, thank you very much. Sushant bhai, आप nominated भी हैं इस बार, so how do you feel?
कौन सी?
आपको मालूम नहीं best actor in
thanks.
leading role?
I just wanted you to say that. I'm just really very grateful to IFA for allowing me again to be a part of IFA New York. And this won't be the first time I'll be performing in New York. Let me share a short story with you. Something happened, like few series of events happened in 2006. I was studying engineering here in Delhi, and I somehow mustered enough courage to drop out in the 3rd year, just few months away from getting my degree, to pursue my dream, because I identified something that I really like doing, and that was performing arts. And those few events that I'm talking about, one of the events that happened in 2006 was IFA, where I performed as a background dancer. And that was a big thing for me. Gave me enough confidence to go for my dream. And that's how, one of the important reasons why I dropped out. And I'm standing here talking to you is because of that. And then I did theater, TV, and then they were again kind enough to allow me to perform on stage when I made my debut in the first year, in 2013, and I performed as an actor for the first time. And now again, as you said, I'm nominated in the best actor category. So I'm grateful again. And as they say that your life is the story that you tell yourself. I've been telling myself a very, very great story about my life, and thanks to IFA for that.
अपने व्यूअर्स से, फैन से, आप लोग कुछ भी एक कुछ अगर शेयर करना चाहते हैं.
I think a very funny thing which I will always remember. So the reason why my parents never used to go with me for any award function, because मेरी mom को लगता था कि वो मुझे देखने आएंगी तो मैं गिर जाऊंगी स्टेज पे. I would trip or something would happen. How moms are always, especially Punjabi mothers are more like really worried about all these things. But they still did come for IFA, and I told them that it was very, very special for me. And I wanted them to see me hold that trophy in my hand. And I was wearing this very long gown, and I was stepping on the stage, and her words were playing in my head that I would trip. And I was almost about to trip. Like, it was such a long gown, I was almost about to trip, but I didn't. So that was like, for 2 seconds, I forgot what I had to say on the stage. And I was only looking at her that, oh, I haven't followed look. So yeah, that's one memory that I remember, because that one IFA was very special for me.
माही, कुछ और?
एक मज़ेदार बात बताऊंगा. 2006 when I was dropping out मेरे कॉलेज में बड़े अच्छे स्टूडेंट्स थे. दिल्ली कॉलेज ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग. बड़ी मेहनत करनी पड़ती है जाने के लिए. जब मैं छोड़ रहा था तो सब मुझ पे बड़ा हंस रहे थे. अरे देखो हीरो बनने जा रहा है. And the first time they took me seriously when I was performing in IFA behind all the lovely stars, and they took me a bit seriously then. And अभी यहाँ आने से पहले मैं 2 मेरे बहुत पुराने दोस्त दिल्ली कॉलेज ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग वाले से बात कर रहा था, जिसमें एक न्यूयॉर्क में ही है. And he said that कैसे हो, अच्छे हो? Could you get me a ticket where I can come and watch the show? So yes, as I said, our life is a story that we tell ourselves, and it's a wonderful, wonderful story. Thanks to IFA that I've been saying and I'm telling myself.
Big hand for eco-friendly Kriti and Mahi. अच्छा, आप लोगों को GST के बारे में कितना मालूम है? कुछ मालूम है क्या? GST के बारे में क्या है ये?
I want to know, why did you call me eco-friendly?
Because of you, Greek.
I know about GST, but not details about GST.
Goods and services tax.
Oh, love. Oh,
know,
big hand for Kriti. हाँ, मैं बोला ना.
Why are you asking that? I was going in details, by the way.
Because मेरे पास उसका एक ट्रिक था समझाने का. बहुत इजी तरीका है. If someone asks you कि GST क्या है, so GST एक टैक्स है, ठीक है. टैक्स तो
Really?
Let me complete. मैं अभी पूरा सीरीज बता रहा हूँ आपको. आप एंड में बोलोगे really, कसम से मैं बोल रहा हूँ. आप मेरे को हक कर लोगे, बट मेरे को करना नहीं.
Oh, 1 second.
Okay, sorry. So GST एक टैक्स है. टैक्स टोल भी होता है. टोल गाड़ी पे क्रॉस होने पे लगता है. गाड़ी 2 व्हीलर भी होता है, 4 व्हीलर भी होता है. 2 व्हीलर गाड़ी फैमिली का भी होता है, जिसमें से एक हस्बैंड होता है, एक वाइफ होता है. वाइफ अच्छी होनी चाहिए, पर अच्छी तो लाइफ होनी चाहिए. बट लाइफ जिंदगी एक जंग है. जंग लोहे में लगता है. लोहा लिया था क्रांतिकारियों ने अंग्रेजों से. लेट मी कंप्लीट. लोहा लिया था क्रांतिकारियों ने अंग्रेजों से. अंग्रेज चले गए, अंग्रेजी छोड़ गए. अंग्रेजी तो शराब भी होती है, शराब हानिकारक है, बट एक्चुअली में बापू सेहत के लिए हानिकारक. बापू गांधी जी भी थे. गांधी जी ने बोला था देश एक होना चाहिए.
पगले रुलाएगा क्या?
गांधी जी बोले थे देश एक होना चाहिए. जब देश एक होना चाहिए तो टैक्स भी एक होना चाहिए. एक देश एक टैक्स, GST.
ये एक्सप्लेनेशन तुम्हारा बहुत ही टैक्सिंग था.
इससे मुझे सब समझ में आ गया क्या होता है GST, एक चीज.
सो थैंक यू वेरी मच. हम लोग अभी आपको और 2-3 बार ऊपर बुलाएंगे और आपका अच्छा एक्सरसाइज हो जाएगा अगर आज आप लोग फ्री बैठे हो. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर जॉइनिंग अस. नेक्स्ट ऑन स्टेज. थैंक यू कृति. थैंक यू वेरी मच सुशांत. बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर बोथ ऑफ देम. थैंक यू. माइक मैं आपसे रिसीव कर लेंगे.